YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Dr. Faden Style. And I got my hands on the BaByliss for BaByliss Influencer Trimmer. Now, this one right here is Patty Cuts, limited edition. It has the black DLC deep tooth 2.0 blade, and the DLC is diamond like carbon, has a 360 exposed blade, high torque brush, 72 RPMs, all metal housing, lithium ion battery with a 2-hour runtime. You can go cordless or you can use it with the cord. Man, and another thing about it says new diamond texture rubber handle. Let's take it out the box and see how this is. Definitely enjoy. Oh man, I love this. I love how it just comes in a metal case. Certified, yeah, BaByliss. Man, this is dope right here. Let's take this out. There it is right there. So you can see it has that rubber grip on it. So it's just like all the grips that all the clippers everybody been using on the clippers. If I had, I have a pair of trimmers right here. So you can see they just went on and put the rubber grip onto the trimmers. Check it out. And had a DLC 2.0 blade on it. And let's see what else is in here. These down. Okay. Okay, you have your operating instructions in here. Check out the back of it. And in your box, let's see. Okay. You get your cord. And anyone that uses these, that's been using these previously, you already know this is an extra long cord. Oh, that's dope right there. You get a bracket, an extra bracket. So, and I guess this is when it starts wearing out. Okay, you had your zero gapper. Okay. Oh man, you have it. Yo, check it out. You get your zero gapper right here, so they give you a green one. That's dope right there. Cleaning brush, oil, blade protector right there, and a screwdriver. Oh, what's this? Okay. Oh, that's dope. So you can switch out the bottom, the hook on your trimmers. So if you don't, okay, that's dope. So let's see. Okay, so you unscrew it. Okay, yeah, you unscrew it, so you just go have it hanging, have it hanging. You can switch out the green one or the black one. That's real dope. And yo, let's go back to the ones that I already had. You know, I had the original gold ones. but I went on to put the Gold FX 2.0 blade on this one. Pretty dope blade. Had to get the blue ones, and I had the graphite blade sitting on this one. And these are the Hawk ones right here. They're about Prodigy. So I threw on that original Gold FX blade on this one. And let's listen to this, see how they sound. Okay, quiet. The same. Ooh, man, these are quieter. So about the same as far as like the sound. And then you gotta remember, these are the originals, so these are a little louder, but it's not bad. So yeah, I just wanted to go in and show you, bam, you got the patty cuts, BaByliss trimmers with the DLC diamond light carbon blade on it, and it seems like it's already zero count when it comes out of the box. But I'm gonna do a video a little later during the week on using these, just to show you how sharp they are.